In this video, I will show you how to apply for a UK visa from Canada. If you need a visa to visit the UK, you must apply online before you travel and attend an appointment at a visa application center. The earliest you can apply is 3 months before your trip. Depending on your nationality, you might not need a visa. In some cases, you'll only need an electronic travel authorization or can visit for up to 6 months without either. You can check this on the official UK website at gov.uk. When applying, you'll need a valid passport with at least one blank page, your travel dates, where you'll stay, how much your trip will cost, and details about your income and residence. Depending on your situation, you may also need to provide your travel history, employer information, or a tuberculosis test certificate if you plan to stay longer than 6 months. The standard visitor visa fee is £127 for up to 6 months, while long-term options cost £475 for 2 years, £848 for 5 years, and £1,059 for 10 years, each allowing stays of up to 6 months per visit. Once you complete your application online, pay the visa fee, and book your appointment, you'll need to visit a visa application center in Canada to provide your fingerprints and photo. After submission, you'll receive an update once a decision is made, and your passport will be returned with the result. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to How to Tutor.